In this video, I'm going to be making a mangrove snapper into sushi. Stay tuned, find out how I caught it, and watch me make an awesome sushi roll. And I'm going to be using snapshot, removable weight with a mosquito circle hook. As soon as we started fishing, we began to realize how hard this fishing spot was actually becoming because of how many small snapper were underneath this bridge. I see you. All day. See? Another niner. Let's go. Yep, 9 inches. Too small. See? Dude, look how close. Nine inches. Look how big this thing is. Oh. See? I made it to the gas station. I thought I was gonna faint there for a second. We'll grab the Gatorade. Check this out. I think my brain melted a little bit. I got a Gatorade Light. Great. The blue one. Glacier Freeze. I got Glacier Freeze. But what'd I tell you? All 9 inches or below. Got that one toady that was big, which is pretty cool. Never seen a toady that big. Those things, if you like flay them up, they're like a big chicken wing, like straight white meat. A lot of people eat them, but I was not in the mood to eat them today. I'll do a video on that later. So I called quits to the whole snapper mission after a week of fishing and getting very similar results, mainly because of the snook season had just begun. So I started going to the beach at night targeting snook using dead sardines. We're on, boys. What the fuck is it? Oh, that's a good snapper. That's a good mangrove. This is my first sushi roll. Oh, hi, Yin. I've made at my house. Look, it's Yin. It's Yin. Look at Yin. Hey, Yin. Bye, Yin. Turned out pretty good. That's the difference right there. The little kick. Not good. I do not like this wasabi. Wasabi. I didn't know those wasabi bits. There's like little like bits in it. I don't know how I feel about it. It doesn't have that right like consistency. You can see it. Get the angle. There's little like bits in it, dude. Like, what is that? What is that supposed to be? I don't know. But that is it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah.